Tired of your recipients seeing a random number when you text them from your business? This video will show you how to display your Twilio caller ID in outgoing text messages in under 90 seconds. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Twilio account. Once you're on the dashboard, make a note of your account SID and auth token. You might need these later, depending on your setup, but it's good to have handy. Next, navigate to the phone number section in the Twilio console, and then click on Manage Numbers. This is where all your Twilio phone numbers live. Select the active Twilio number you want to use as your caller ID for outgoing messages. Click on the number itself to open its settings. Scroll down to the messaging section of the configuration page. Here you will see a message comes in configuration options. Now, let's talk about the code you'll use to send your SMS. In your code, ensure that the from _ parameter set to your purchase Twilio number. The two parameters should, of course, be set to the recipient's mobile number. This tells Twilio which number to use as the caller ID. And that's it. When you send a message, the recipient will now see your designated Twilio number as the sender. This improves brand recognition and looks much more professional. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more Twilio tips and tricks.